Hello.
Yo, what's up guys? Not a GTI, back again with another video. I know it's been kind of a while since my last one, but sorry, that light is kind of annoying. It's been a while since my last video, I apologize. Actually, I don't apologize. Honestly, I've had a shit ton of stuff going on in my life. I moved back home, as you can see I'm in a different spot. Moved all the way across the country back to Minnesota. Yeah, it's been a lot going on, but anyways, I'm gonna shoot a video here on how to change your PCV valve on your FSI engine. A 2012 Mk6 Golf R back here. It's gonna be the same for lots of different cars, so I honestly don't know what engines share this same PCV setup in the intake manifold, but I know Mark 5 GTIs do, so, and some Audis, but yeah, let's get right in the video. Right here is your PCV valve. This is what we're going to be replacing today. That goes right into your intake manifold. Basically, PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. Basically takes pressure from inside your crankcase and reroutes it and a bunch of nasty jizz stuff back in the intake manifold to burn off. The reason I'm replacing this today is because it's a good maintenance item to replace. Around 90,000 miles. I just hit 92,000 and my rear main seal was leaking. So if you're having rear main seal issues, I mean, there could be extra pressure in the crankcase. So I'm going to replace the PCV because it was leaking. I did my rear main seal, but blah, blah, blah. Also, if you're having any idle issues or misfires, this could be another reason to replace it. So I picked up my kit from ECS Tuning. Put a link in the description for this, and as well as a screenshot for what the kit looks like. I think it was around 130 bucks or so. Here's what the new PCV valve plate thingy looks like. Hamburg Technic or something like that. But yeah, here's what she looks like. Also came with the breather tube for the back of the block that goes, I think it's like directly to the turbo, but I'm gonna have to look and see if that is gonna be a pain to get off. I might do that at a different time. With the gasket, new bolts and clamps for the breather hose. So yeah. So really the only tools you're gonna need for this are a set of Torx bits, 1/4-inch ratchet, and extension. My buddy Gavin Meadows, who used to have a Golf R, also showed me a trick with some zip ties that might help to get the breather hose off. Okay, zip tie down there, and down in the other side, there's one. Oh yeah, there's some juice in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx bits. T20 Torx. So now I'm going to get this last hose off. I'm going to try that same technique with the zip ties. And we just wiggle the little bastard off. Alright, so I finally got it off. Screwdriver, and just kind of from the back, sticking it in there and lifting out this little clip right here on the hose. I don't know if you can see that, but right in there. So there's a little plastic piece that has to come over the lip right there, or right there. Very pretty good. And just move up the new one a bit back. I'm gonna get a little motor oil and do that. Alright, so I lubed him up a little bit with some oil. Just gonna stick him back. Stick him in there, right? Interesting, so if you look at the new bolts, or if you look at either of the bolts, you'll see it looks like the end is almost chopped off like that. And that's actually how it's supposed to be, I guess. So maybe I'll put this hose on first. Alright, clipped him on. You heard it snap on. Heard him in a bit. Okay, that's on. Put that last hose on. And there we go, we're done. So that's how you replace a PCV valve on a Mk6 Golf R. If you buy the kit that I bought online, it does come with this breather hose. This is actually located on the back of the engine, and it looks like it's a bit trickier to get off. So I'm not going to tackle that tonight, but I will do this on another video. Once I shoot that video, I'll probably have uploaded that right after I upload this one. So click the link probably right there if you want to know how to replace the breather hose on the back of the block. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one, and yeah, drive safe.